It's okay. Am I audible, right? So, tell me, are anyone kindly reply me? Is it visible? Is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir. Visible and
Yes,
you are
sir.
audible,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, okay, ma. Okay. See, if there is any uh, low bandwidth is there, you just kindly inform through me phone. Okay. So these are all the so just look at this one. Last class we have discussed with an array concept. You know, right? What is mean by array? How to declare an array? How to initialize an array? How to read an array? Okay, from the user. This is called how to print an array. Okay, this is a sample program for getting an array elements from the user and printing the element to the user. So this is for adding the array elements. These things we have discussed. Then followed by how to have you all wrote the program for this? This is called finding the biggest element in an array. Okay. Have you all tell me here? Have you all done this program? So this is an tell me here. This logic is clear. Have you all done this program? Okay. First element you should have to. This is the logic, ma. After getting the array elements from the user, if you have done this logic means just apply this coding into this. This is the coding. Okay. Do you have any doubt in this one? And after that you can print the max value. After for loop you can here printf you just put the max value here. So the concept is first element initially the first element will be the biggest element. After that you should compare with first element with the second element by using the for loop here. That's what I value equal to 1. So if max is less than 7, okay, assign the max is the new value. So this one. So at last if you are executing this 12 comes into the picture. If you print this one 12 will be there. Okay, so that so next we are going to talk about okay array concepts. Okay, two-dimensional array. In that we are going to talk about okay first remaining one program is pending, that is called sorting of an array. Okay, what is mean by sorting? Tell me here, what is mean by sorting?
Sir, like making
Arranging
order.
the array
Arranging of
elements in an
elements in
ascending
a
order.
specific order.
Yes, in an ascending yes, in an ascending order or descending order. Okay, for example if it is, because I don't have the board and all. Okay, this is this suppose if these are all the array elements. Okay, 10 7. Okay, 5 2 5 2 1 in the sense. Okay, you should have to arrange the this is the array elements you got it from the user as an input. Okay, you are going to sort the array elements as 1 2 5 7 10. Okay, got it. This is called a sorting of an array elements either in ascending order or descending order. Okay, 10. Okay, 7 5 2 1. Okay, this is an sorting. Okay, this is a sorting. This you are going to do. Okay, so you just look at this program. First you should have to get the array elements from the user as an input, and after that you are going to sort it. Okay, for example first find out the logic and tell me how will you sort it, ma? For example if it is 4 3 2. Okay, 4 3 2. For example 3 array elements are there. Okay, how will you sort it, ma? Is there is any logic is there? The
So
sorting
we
order
would
is 2. Okay, 2 3 4, right? So this how will you do it? First, we should have to compare first two elements, right? Tell me here.
Yes.
If the first element is greater than second element, we should have to swap it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first element compared with second element. Okay, the first element is greater than second element. You should have to swap it. Okay, so first element 4 is greater than 3. Okay, so condition is true. So we should have to swap it. 3, these 3 to be a of 0 and a of 1 will be swapped. Okay, so what is the next logic? Second element is compared with third element, right? If the second element is greater than third element, okay, so suppose if it is case 1 is also there, imagine that. Okay, so if it is greater, what will be happening? Tell me here. Next iteration.
It will be spam.
3, 2, 4, 1 will be there, right? Next what will happen? Four, 3, 2, 1. Tell me here. Next element. Anyone kindly? Here
We have to take the
swapped, right? 2 and 4 will be swapped. Third element is compared with
4 and 1.
last element. Okay, so what will happen? So 3, 2, 1, 4. 1, 4, right? 1, 4 will be there. So this at the end of the first iteration. Okay, what will be happening, ma? The last element, okay, the highest element got the correct position. Correct. 4 is the largest element in the array. So the fourth, after the end of this iteration, okay, so fourth element got the correct place, right? Fourth element should be present at the last place. Correct. Got it. So next, okay, now what all the things happen? Okay, the first element is compared. So this is, so otherwise this is also there. Okay, first element is compared with. So okay, this technique will go for it. Okay, so otherwise here this technique also fine. We have just look at this one, this technique. Okay, for example 4, there are number of sorting techniques are there, ma. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we'll do this technique. Okay, first element is compared with second element. Again, first element is compared with third element, and first element is compared with fourth element. Okay, we'll look into one by one. First element is compared with second element. Okay, if it is greater, first element is greater than second element, you can swap it. 3. Okay, so 3 swap. First element is greater than second element, right? Condition true. Sorry, is it true or false?
Yes, sir.
So yes, 3, sorry, 3, 4, 3, 4, 2, 1 will be there. Then first element is compared with, okay, third element. Okay, so if the first element is greater than the third element, swap it. Otherwise, no need to swap. Okay, so okay, it's greater, right? So 3 is greater, so swap 3 and 2. So 2 is there. 2 will be there. Okay, then 4 will be there. Then 3 will be there. 1 will be there. Correct. Then first element is compared with last element. Okay, first element is compared with last element. If first element is greater than the last element, okay, swap the things. 2 is greater than 1, so how will be there? Swap the two elements. Okay, so 1 will be there, then 4 will be there, then 3 will be there, then 2 will be there. You can use this technique. Okay, this is called as bubble sort. Okay, so what will be at the end of the first iteration? What will be happening? The least element got the correct position, right? 1 got the correct position, right? Tell me here, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in next iteration I will do this. Next element, what is that? Okay, 1 is there, 4 is there. Okay, so this is 4, there, 2 is there. So first element we are compared with all the elements. Okay, next second element. Okay, this got the correct position. Okay, we should. Okay, this got this one got the correct position. Okay, next one, second element is compared with the okay, next element, second element is compared with the third element. If it is second element is greater than third element, swap it. 4 greater than 3, then swap it. 1, okay, 3, 4, 2. Then next second element is compared with last element. Okay, if it is greater, then swap it. 3 greater than 2, right? Swap it. So 1, 2, 4, 3. That's it, right? At the end of the second iteration, this is called the second iteration. This is one loop. Okay. So with the end of that second iteration, what is happening? Next least number got the correct position, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me here, yes or no? Yes. Next, what will be the pending?
The 4 should be go to
This
the
one,
logic.
right? Third element is compared 4. Yes, third element is compared with last element. Okay. So if it is greater, swap it. Okay. If it is 4 greater than 3, right? Then swap it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, right? We have compared with all the elements. Then 4 is compared with next element. Next element is not there. We should have to finish it. Now the element got sorted, right? Tell me here, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So the logic is first element compared with the first element is compared with all the elements. If it is greater, okay, if it is greater with the next element, swap it. Otherwise, no need to swap. Okay. Next one, second element is compared with all the other elements. Okay, if it is greater, second element is greater than any of the other element, swap it. Other than other, okay, and apart from that, okay, no need to swap it. So you should have to perform like this. Next, third element is compared with the rest of the elements. Okay, this is called as sort. Got it? Got it? Do you have any doubt? For example, if it is 1, 2, 3, okay, for example, suppose no. So for example, if it is okay. So, got it? Now the logic is clear. Shall we try for so shall we go to the program now?
Yes, sir.
See, if it is, suppose if it is okay, and it is not great in this program, we have all the, okay, we are checking all the elements. Okay, that is whatever we are checking that is greater, that's what we are swapping it. Suppose if it is not greater, no need to swap. Okay, for that also it will work. So first you just look at this one. So what are all the things they have initialized, ma? This is the program. What is this n? What is this n? So I looping variables, definitely we should use 2 for loop. That's why we have declared I and j. Then temp is another variable, we have used it. Okay, then n is the size of an array elements and a is nothing but array, we are going to use it. Array size is 10. Okay, so first we are getting that size of the array element, number of elements we should have to get it from the user, right? So that n, and after that using the for loop, okay, I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. By using the scanf, we are getting the what all the things we are getting it, ma? If my n is 4, okay, 4 elements we should have to get it from the user. Then this is the very important line. Okay, so swapping it is there, right? So that's what we are using the temp variable. So I will tell you, okay, how the swapping has been performed. Why we are using 2 for loops, ma? Why we are using nested for loop?
Sir, one is to take one element and the other is to check for all elements.
For the yes. So you just look at this one. Okay, so we'll go to this for loop. Okay, I equal to 0, I less than, for example, you just imagine that, okay, the same thing, 4, okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is a of 0. Okay, a of 0. This is a of 1. This is a of 2. This is a of 3. Got it? 4 elements are there. Okay, so now for loop, okay, I equal to 0. So what is the n value, ma, here? What is the n value? Total number of elements is 4, right?
4.
So n value is 4. Okay, array size is also 4. A of 4. Okay, A of 0 is 4. A of 1 is 3. af2 is this is the one. Then coming to the loop. Okay, so condition true, right? I equal to 0, 0 less than 4. Condition true or false? 0 less than 4. True. Again we are coming into the inner loop, inner for loop. Why j equal to 1? Why j equal to 1? Why not j equal to 0? Because we are going to compare with first and second element, right? So that j equal to 0. Okay, this outer for loop for comparing the first element. Okay, that's what I equal to always 0 here. 4 is compared with 3, and 4 is compared with 2, 4 is compared with 1, right? First element is compared with the remaining element. So outer for loop stands for the I value. Okay, inner for loop will be changing for this one, right? 4, 0 compared with 1, 0 compared with 2, 0 compared with 3. So for this only we are doing like this. So coming to this one, what is a of I? If statement, what is a of I?
So the element we want to check for.
Yes, first tell me here, what is a of I? I value equal to 0, right? I value equal
So
to
the
0
first one.
greater than yes, a of what is the j value? 1, right?
1, sir.
Then what is a of 0 and a of 1? What is a of 0? A of 0 is 4
3.
greater than 3, right? A of 0, sorry, a of 1 is 3. So if it is greater, 4 should be greater than 3, right? Then what we should have to swap it? Two values should be swapped. That's what we are using temp variable. Okay, temp equal to what is a of I?
4,
What is
sir.
a of I? A of 0 is 4. Okay, first value can be stored in temp. Then what is a of 0? What I value is 0, right? J value is, what is a of 1? J value is 1. Always
3.
remember I value equal to 0, J equal to now look at this one. A of 0 is 3 now. Then what is a of j?
A of
A
1,
of
sir.
1
A
is,
of 1 is equal to temp.
see
4.
the temp equal to 4. Now change it, right? Swap, right? Initially a of 0 is 4 and a of 1 is 3. Now it can be, now the a of 0 is, what happened? A of 0 is, this is called a swapping. Okay, now the a of 0 is 3 and a of 1 is 4, correct? It got swapped. Okay, this is temp. Okay, this is temp. Swapped or not? Got it? First iteration is clear. Shall we go for the next iteration? So we are in the inner for loop. Next time j value, I value equal to 0 only. I value equal to 0. J value equal to, what is j value? 1, right?
2, sir.
Sorry, 2. J incremented by 1, right? So j value equal to 2. Check it. A of 0 greater than, what is a of j?
A of 2, sir.
F2, sir.
J value is 2, right? What is a of 0 now? 3, right?
Yes, sir.
3 greater than.
Yes.
3
3 greater
than
than 3 greater than 2. Condition true or false?
It's true.
Condition true. What is happening here? T.
Swapping.
Temp equal to
temp equal to 3.
3. A of 0 equal to
2.
A of 0 equal to a.
Two,
What is
sir.
a of 2? A of j. Okay, a of 2 is 2, right here.
Yes, sir.
Next one.
So A of 2 equals to 3.
A of 2 equal to
3.
3. So what is happening here? Which one will be swapped? So after swapping, okay, 3, 4, 2, 1 will be there. 1 is compared with, okay, first element is compared with the next element. So 3 greater than 2. If it is greater, the swapping has been take place. Okay, a of 0 become 2. A of 0, this place is a of 0, right? That becomes 2. Okay, then a of 2 is 3. What is a of 2? Already a of 2 is 2. Now that becomes 3, correct? So 1
Yes,
should
sir.
be there. Okay, in this way it should, okay, next what will happen, man? Next iteration,
Next 2 will be compared to 1 and then it will be
next
swapped.
iteration what will happen? So first element is compared with second element. First element is next yes, next element, first element is compared with next element, right?
Last. Yes,
The
sir.
last element, right? So 2 greater than 1. Okay, condition True or false?
True.
Now the I becomes 3 ma. Okay, A of 3 is 1 here. Okay, then temp equal to, what is temp?
So temp equal to 2.
Temp equal to 2. A of 0 will be
1.
1.
1. A of 3 will be
2.
2. Correct? What will be happening? A of 0 is 1 now. A of 0 is 1. These two value, okay, 1, 2 greater than 1, right? Condition true. Swapping has been taking place. So A of 0 will be 1. Okay, and A of 3 will be 2, right? Here A of 3 will be 2, right? So 1, 4 as it is will be there. Then A of 3 will be 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 1 got the correct position. Okay. So 1, 4, 3, 2 is there, right? So 1, 4, 1, 4. What is the equation? 1, 4, 3, 2. 1, 4, 3, 2 will be the, after the end of the first iteration, this will be there. Okay. So next time, what will be happening? J loop when failed, right? 4 greater than 4. Condition true or false?
False. It's go
False.
for the
False.
outer loop.
Again it will goes to the outer for loop. Now the I value is 1. Correct? I value is 1. Okay. J value is again 1. J value is again 1. So what will be happening here? If A of, okay, A of 1 is, what is A of 1? Greater than A of J value is also 1. Okay. What is A of 1 and
So
here
4.
is, sorry, J. Okay. What is the here?
So 4 greater than 4. False.
4
4
greater than
4.
3.
okay, 4 greater than 4, right? A of 1. First,
Yes.
initially it went false. Okay. Next time when J equal to 2, the initially A 4 greater than 4 condition true or false? False, right?
False.
So it
False.
won't get swapped. Next time J value equal to 2. Okay. So 2 in the sense, okay, here. Okay, 4 greater than 3 it will be coming, right? A of I will be 4 and A of 2 will be 3, right?
Yes.
4 greater than 3, condition true. Temp equal to now 4, right? A of is 4. Then A of 1 equal to
3.
A of J is
No, 2.
A of J is 2.
Yes.
A4 compared with 3.
Yes.
What is J value? 2, right? A of
J value is 2.
0. J value is 2. Value is 3, right?
Value is 3. Yes.
Yes. Okay. A of J value is 2. Temp value is 4, right?
4. Sir.
Now A of 1 is 3. Okay, because 4 greater than 3, condition true, we should have to swap it, right? Now A of 1 is 4. Okay, here 4 and 3 will be how it can be solved, swapped in the sense 1 as it will be there. A of 1 become 3. So 1 become 3 and A of 2 become 4. This is A of 2 become 4. Got it?
So
So tell me here.
nothing, sir. Nothing.
Okay. Next time 3 and 2 will be checked. Okay, 3 and 2 will be checked. Then how it can be swapped? 1, 2,
So 1, 2, 4,
4,
3.
3 will be swapped. So 2 got the correct position. Next time, the J loop will get failed. Okay, next time I value equal
I
to
equal
2.
to
2. Okay, first time it will get failed. Next time this value and
2.
this
So
value
first
will
time
be
it
checked.
so
First time it
third
will
time
be,
it will be checked.
third time so otherwise if you put I plus 1, shall I put it here instead of 1?
Yes, sir.
That will be correct, right? Instead of 1 you can put, because we should have to check the next element, right?
Yes, sir.
After I we should have to next one. You just instead of I we can put it I plus 1, change it. Okay, make a note of it so that it will be correct. Okay, J equal to I plus 1. So if you put I plus 1 in the sense 4 and 3 will be checked. Okay, if it is greater, swapping will be taking place. Suppose in case what will happen if 1, 2, 3, 4, if you are going to trying to sort this one, already it is in the sorting order, what will be happening, ma? This condition won't get true, right?
Yes.
Because first element is compared with second element. Okay, if it is greater, swap. Okay, because here it is smaller, right? So swapping won't happen. First element compared with third element. 1 greater than 3, condition false, it won't happen. So 1 is compared with 4. Okay, so what will happen? So 1 lesser than small, okay, so lesser than 4, so 1 will occupy the correct position. So for next iteration and all, nothing will happen. Okay, it will print as it is, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now got it. This is a key line. 2 for loop should be used. Again, this is the key line. This is for checking for, okay, for compared with first element as well as second element. Okay, it will keep on going. This is the key line for swapping. Okay, temp equal to a of I, a of I equal to a of j equal to temp. We are using the third variable for storing the first value, and after that, got it. Now temp is storing the first value, ma. In that first value we are storing the second value. Okay, in the second value we are storing the again the first value. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Just for swapping. Okay, then again use another for loop, just print the elements. If you are printing the elements, what will be there? Already it is swapped, right? Now 4 3 2 1 is changed as 1 2 3 4, right? Tell me here, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
By using the again the for loop, you can print it. What it will be printing? So this is the output of this program. Enter the number of elements it is there, right? So you just look at this one. Enter the number of elements, 5. Okay, then enter the number of elements to be sorted. Okay, this is the array element. By using the scanf you are using, right? This one, using the by slash n should be within the single quotes, right? Within the double quotes, right? Small mistake in the program. Okay, the slash n. So here is, okay, you just put it slash in within the double quotes. Got it? So 5 elements we are getting it, 25 12, okay, 45 68 7. By using this logic, okay, we are printing the sorted elements, correct? 7 12 25 48 68, correct? That's it about the single dimensional array. Okay, can we go for two dimensional array? Shall we go?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so before going okay, so now we got it, right? Whenever we are having the collection of values, you are going to handle it in your program, then definitely which logic should be used? Suppose, okay, you're having a collection of numbers. Okay, from that numbers you are going to, from integer number, for example, say 1 to 100. Okay, in that you are going to find out, okay, prime numbers, even numbers, composite numbers. Okay, that and all you are going to find it, in the sense which concept will be used here. Array concept will be used, right? Because we have a collection of elements, right? For example, 1 to 1000 number, you are going to perform. All are integer numbers, right? Tell me here, what is mean by array? Array is a collection of data items which can be stored under a common variable name which belong to a similar data type, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So for that, am I audible? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir, you're audible.
for this type, whenever you have a large collection of yes, whenever you are having a collection of data, thank you. Whenever you are having a collection of data items, okay, which can be stored in the, okay, whenever you have a collection of data items, okay, from the data items you are going to perform some operations. Okay, for example, finding, okay, searching, sorting, okay, adding, subtracting it. Okay, whatever might be the operation you are going to perform it, which concept will be used? 1D array, right? So okay, next, then what is the need of 2D array, ma? Any idea? Then what is the use of 2D array?
To
2D array is
practice
also
kind of
going to
thing, sir.
handle the collection of data. 1D. Yes. See, this is called as 1D array, right? Only one. So the size will be act as a dimensional. Okay, only one dimensional is there. How the array elements can be there? Okay, in that array, okay, in this we can able to, okay, store it 10, okay, up to 10 elements we can able to store it. Okay, under a common variable name called a. This is the use of 1D array. Then what is the need of 2D array here? Any idea?
So for matrix,
So
So
for matrices,
whenever matrix, see, whenever you are having the values in the form of rows and columns, okay, you are having a collection. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to n numbers. Which array can be suitable? 1D or 2D?
1D.
1D, sir.
1D. Suppose the same thing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here you just look at this one. Here also a collection of data items or datas are there in the form of rows and columns, right? This will tell me here. So this will be the first row, second row, third row. This will be the first column, second column, and third column, right? So whenever you're having collection of data in the form of rows and columns or in the form of tables, definitely this can be stored in the form of 1D array or 2D array.
2D arrays.
2D arrays. For example, okay, I'll tell in another example. Okay, for example, if you are going to develop a software called billing software. Okay, billing software for any shop. Okay, billing software you are going to design it. Okay, for example, in this, okay, product name should be there, then product quantity should be there, then product amount should be there, because I can't able to write. I'm writing in a mouse, okay, so that you could understand. Okay, so if for example, okay, product name is ball, for example x, okay, x inputted. Okay, product quantity is 1, the product rate is 50, amount is 50. Okay, then product name is y, product quantity is 2. Okay, okay, so okay, that is 100. Okay, for 200. Then product, another product is okay, z, so quantity is 1. Okay, rate is 70 rupees. So total is so for example 150, 230, 220. Okay, for example, if you are going to develop this type of software, okay, for here you just look at this one, how the data can be handled here in the form of rows and columns, right?
Yes, sir.
If it should be in first row should be in product number, product name, quantity and price, and second row should be in another product, then final row should be in this. Suppose if the data should be in look, okay, should be handled in the form of rows and columns format, then only it could be it might be useful, right? Tell me here, yes or no? So to in this problem, how many rows and columns are there?
3 by 3, sir.
3 by 3. First row, okay,
3 rows and
first row,
3
second
columns.
row, third row, fourth row, right? Fourth row is also there.
Yeah, total also we have to include it, sir.
Total, yes, total. This is also one row, right?
Okay, sir.
So 4 rows, 3 columns should be there, right?
Yes.
So suppose if you are going to design, okay, or if you are going to handle this type of data which is having in the form of rows and columns value, then definitely which concept will be suitable?
2D arrays, sir.
2D arrays. Clear? If you have any doubt in this one, 2D array, what is the use? Need of 2D arrays, right? Whenever you are going to handle a collection of data, arrays means collection of data which is belong to a similar data type, okay, a same data type. Okay, so array, suppose the difference between the 1D array and 2D array is 1D array, okay, it's just a collection of data should be there. From the data you are going to perform some operation, either maybe an integer data, float data, or a okay. In 2D array, definitely in that also you are going to handle a collection of data belong to a same data type, but in the form of rows and columns. Got it? So how will you declare? How will you declare it, ma? How will you represent the 2D array? Array name should be there.
Array name into size of rows into size of columns in square bracket.
Okay, very good. See. Sorry, ma, here I can't able to write it here. uses. So first bracket will be the, tell me here, first bracket will be the
Representing the
two
number of
dimensions. Okay, two, yes, two index to within the, okay, for example, two rows, three columns. Okay, this is will be a row size and this will be the column size. Got it? This is an array name. A is an array name. Okay, first dimension will be the in 1D array it will be act as an array size. Okay, in 2D array that here there should not be any space. Okay, I'll show the program so that you will understand. So A of 2, A of 3, A of 2, 3 in the sense, okay, row size is 2, column size is 3. Okay, so for example, you just look at this one. A of 2, okay, this is A of 3. Okay, for this one, how the array was. So, two rows should be there, right? Two rows should be there, three columns should be there. A of 2, 3. Okay, for example, so 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6. So this is nothing but two rows, okay, and three columns. This is the representation. Okay, what is this representation, ma? This is 0 column, first one. This is 0, 1, 2. So what is the representation of A of, this is 0, 0, right? Tell me here.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Is this position is 0,
0,
1.
1.
This position is 0, 2.
2.
This position is 1, 0. This position is 1, 1. This position is 1, 2. Clear? Is it clear? Okay, now I'll go to the program so that you could understood. So this is the unit 3. This PPT and all I'll share you. Okay. So 2D array, I told you, right? Row value should be there and column size value will be there. Okay. So how will you represent the 2D array? So the first, that also I have discussed, right? What is the declaration of 2D array? Data type, array name. Okay, syntax I'll tell you. So data type, array name, row size, and size 1 and size 2, right? The size 1 is nothing but a row size 2 is nothing but a column size. So example is int is the data type, array name, row size, and this one is a column size. Clear? So for single dimensional array, okay, how will you get it, ma? How will you get the input as from a user? How many for loops should be used? 1D array means only one for loop. 2D array
So
means
for 2D, it's 2.
two for one for row size and another for column size. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So you just look at this one so that we'll get it to you. Okay. So I don't know how I'm going to write it. So far I equal to 0. So here it is better. Okay, here. Okay. I equal to 0. That is row value and column value. Okay. So instead of printf, you just put it scanf. Okay. So scanf percentage A of ij. Okay. In that, what will happen, ma? So for example, what is the row size and column size here? Tell me here. Is a row size is 3, right? Column size is 4, right?
Yes, sir.
So first, for example, instead of printf, you can imagine this is a scanf. Percentage D ampersand A of ij. Okay. So what will be the first I value and j value? What you will be getting it? What is
0,
the I
0.
value? 0, comma 0, A of 0 of 0. Okay. A of 0 of 0 are getting the output for getting the input as, for example, 2. Next time, what is the I value and j value? We are in the inner for loop, right?
I value will
J value
0
become
and J
1,
value
column
1.
value is just tell me the value. A of 0, I value 0, right?
Yes, sir.
J value is 1, right? Then A of 0, 1 will be, for example, is just 3. Okay, for example, you can imagine that. Okay, how many values will be there for A of 3, 4? 3 cross 4 matrix? 2 columns, right? 4 columns. So how many values should be there?
I think 12.
9, 10, 11,
Yes,
12, correct?
Yes, sir.
This is A of 3 cross 4, right? 3 rows should be there and 4 columns should be there, right? So 4 columns should be there. So totally how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if okay, this loop will work for 12 times. Okay, so this one, what is this one? A of 0, 0, right?
Yes.
Okay, how this term represent? 0, comma 0. This is 0, comma 1. This is 0, comma 2. This is 0, comma 3, right? So you can put it as 0, 1, 2. Here you can name it as 0. Okay, 1 minute. Here I'm telling it. You just imagine like this. Got it? This value 0, comma 0, 0, comma 1. This value 0, comma 1, 0, comma 2, 0, comma 3, 1, comma 0. Can you imagine like this? This is what I'm trying to explain it. Now, so next time, what it will ask? See, I will be 0. Okay, next time j value will become 2, right? A of 0 is 0, comma 2 is 4. Okay. So next time A of 0, comma next time 0, comma 0
sir.
of 3, right? A of 0, 3 is, for example, 5. You just always start from 1. Okay, 1. This will be 1. This will be 2. This will be 4. Got it? Next time j value will become when it will get fail. 4 greater than 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Condition fail. Next time we'll start to get the input of second row and second column value. We should have
A
to
of
put. So
1,
second row first column. Yes. Next time A of 1, comma 1, comma 0. You are going to get 5, right? Next time A of
1, comma 2,
1, comma 2, 1, comma 2, 1, comma 3, 1, comma 4, right? Next time 2, comma 0, 2, comma 1, 2, comma 2, 2, comma 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
Have we got it right? How the input elements can be getted from the user? This is for printing the elements. The main difference is instead of one for loop, you should have to use another for loop, one for row and one for column. You know, right? How row wise for the first element, the first outer for loop will be used for getting the first row, getting all the column values. Second row, getting all the column values. Third row, getting all the column values. In this way, it will be working. Got it? Do you have any doubt? 2D array, how to get the so we just look at this one. These are all some whatever the points I've told, right? This is illustrated here. So these are all the things also I have illustrated. So you just now we are going to look about the initialization. Am I audible here? This connection is stable.
Sir, I
Yes,
think
sir.
I lagged a little bit now, but I think now it's fine.
Okay. Now you just look at this one. Initialization of a 2D array. Okay, that should be A first will be the row size and second will be the column size, right? A of 3 will be the row size and it will be the column size, right? Tell me here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this, tell me 3 rows, 2 columns, right? So how it will be initialized? So 1 4, okay, 1 4, then 5 comma 2, 5 comma 2, then 6 comma 5. Got it? In this way it will be initialized. 3 rows, 3 rows should be there, 2 columns should be there. Okay, in this row wise you can able to initialize outer curly braces within the inner curly braces. Okay, this is curly braces, this is the first row, 2 columns value, this is the second row, 2 columns value, this is the third row, 2 columns value. That is, what is this? A of 0 comma 0, this is 0 comma 1, correct? This is a, for example, 0 1 2, this is 0 1. Okay, so this value is 0 comma 0 0 comma 1. This value is, what is this? 1 comma 0. What is this?
1 comma 1.
1 comma 1. This one is 2 comma 0 2 comma 1.
2 comma 1.
In this one. Now got it? This is, okay, initializing the 2D array elements in the row wise. Okay, got it here? How 3 row. Here, just they are printing it. That's it, right? What is the concept of this program?
So
They are
we didn't hear your
initializing the
question.
3x2 array. Okay, they are initializing the 3x2 array, that is 3 rows 2 columns. They have initialized it, and after that they are using the 2 for loop. Okay, one is 1 for loop for row, another for loop for column. After that they are printing it. Why 3 comma 2 here? I greater than, I lesser than 3, j lesser than 2.
It's a row and column, sir.
Row size and column size. Row size is 3, column size is 2. So if you are printing it, the same value will be there. 1 4 5 2 6 5 will be there. Do you have any doubt in this program? There. Okay, this is an illustration program for initialization as well as printing the array elements. Got it? 2D array elements. Do you have any doubt? So first, what will be the first a of ij? 0 0 will be
2 comma 0 and it's 1.
0 0 will be 1. Okay, then 0 1 will be
4.
4. Then it will fail here. Then outer for loop 1 0 will be 5.
1 0 is 5.
1 will be 2. Next time this will fail. I will be 2. 2 0 will be 6. Correct? 2 1 will be 5. Correct? Okay, that's it. So this one. So this one, you just look at this one. What is this combined initialization? This is, look at this one, 3 comma 2. So totally how many values are there? This initialization is also correct. Row wise also we can initialize it. Otherwise, commonly also we can initialize, combine initialize. So what is that? A of 3 2 da? A of 3 2. How many values should be there? 3
Total
rows, 2
6
column
elements.
values. Totally 6 elements, right? So 1 2 2 columns, 3 4 5 6. So 3 cross 2 values. Okay, 3 rows should be there, 2 values, 2 columns should be there. So totally 6 elements. So 6 elements you can give it like this: 1 4 5 2 6 5. How the values can be arranged, ma? How these values can be arranged?
Based on the index, sir.
Based on right 1 4, then
5 2 6 5.
yes, 5 2 6. Got it? For this also, you just look at this one: 1 4 5 2 6 5, right? It is initialized by using the 2 for loop. You are printing it. How it can be printing? As I told, right? 1 4 5 2 6 5. Clear? Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, right. This is called a selective assignment. You just look at this one, how these value can be initialized. One is there, 5 comma 2 is there, 6 is there. Totally how many elements should be there?
Total is 6, sir.
But how many elements are there?
4.
This is row wise or column wise assignment?
It's like column, sir.
No. Here you just look at this one. So
Okay,
one,
it's
how many elements should be there? The first row.
2 elements.
Look at this one. 2 elements. Okay, here look at this one. Where we have this one, right? 2 elements should be there. Two elements should be there. This one. So, but only one element is there. Remaining one element will be substituted as 0. Correct? So 1 comma 0, 5 comma 2, 6 comma 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is called, this is, see, whenever you are assigning it, okay, within the curly braces, if you are putting some values, okay, that will be row wise assignment only. Correct? First row, second row, third row. Okay, in the first row only one will be there. Suppose two values should be there because the column size is 2. The remaining one value substituted as 0. Correct? Then second element, for second row 2 values is there, so correct. So third row 2 elements should be there. Only one element is there, so it will be substituted as 0. That if you are this, it will be initialized in this way. Okay, don't put it in the next line. Okay, for your what do you call it? Space insufficient only. I have put it in the single. Okay, next line. Okay, you can write it as a single line. Okay, for example, how will, okay, outer one should be there. Okay, 5 comma 2 will be there. Then comma 6 will be there. Correct? See, my mouse I am writing so that it is not clear. With okay, so totally, and this within a single line also you can write it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this program is also cleared, I think, right? So now got it. This is up to a two-dimensional array. Okay, we'll discuss so many programs in two-dimensional array. Before that, we'll discuss about the multi-dimensional array also. What is mean by multi-dimensional? 1D array we have discussed, 2D array we have discussed. What is 3D array? More than 2 is called as multi-dimensional. Okay, what is mean by 3D array? Row size, column. You just tell me. What is this? Data type is there. Array name should be there. Okay, what is size 1, size 2, size 3? See, the size 2 and size 3 will be a row size and column size. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the size 1? For example, if you are going to handle multiple tables in your program. Okay, for example, DBMS, you know, right? Database Management System. We know about that SQL, structure query
sir.
language. For that and all, okay. Suppose in a database there should be multiple tables should be there, right? For example, if you are
Yes,
going
sir.
to create a software for banking system. For example, for each and every account holder, there should be separate table should be mentioned. Okay, maintained, right? Loan account should be there. Okay, then current account should be there. Savings account should be there. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Yes. For that, for single user account, there should be multiple tables should be maintained in the database. For example, if you are going to handle some multiple datas in your program, so that which dimensional array will be suitable? 2D array or a multi-dimensional array?
Multi-dimensional.
A 2D array. Why 2D array is not suitable?
So it only sticks to one array at a time?
Yes, it sticks to only one table, row size and column size, right?
Yes, sir. So in
Suppose
multi-dimension you can access
if you are going for multi-dimensional array, okay, the first size one, this always represents the table, okay? First table, second table numbers, okay? Got it? Okay, if you imagine that first table, okay, for example, if I'm writing it, okay, for example, A of 1, 3, not comma, square bracket. What is this meaning? This is a multi-dimensional array. What it represents actually? In table 1, correct? This is a table number, right? Table 1. Okay, what elements we are accessing at? Third row, second column value we are going to accessing it, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
in
sir.
table 1, okay, we are going to access, for example, this is 3 cross 2 table, okay. So in table, this is the first, okay, table 1. So sorry if I... So how many values should be there? 3 rows. So if I'm 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3. So 3 comma 2 in the sense what you should have to get it.
3 rows and 2 columns.
Yes, I know. Okay. 3 comma 2. You just tell me which values I am going to access it. This is the first table, which consists of 3 cross 2. Suppose here. Okay. Third row, second value. Correct?
6.
6 we are going to access. Will tell you. It will tell you.
Say it
Huh?
again, sir.
We just look at this one. Okay. For example, this is a table value and this is the row value and this is a column value. Correct? If 1 comma 3 comma 2 in the same first table, we are referring the third row, second column value. Third row, second column value is 6, right?
Sir, so this kind of it's to just for referring, sir. For
Yes.
okay.
We'll tell you with an example also. Okay. So just look at this one. What is this? Test. 3 multi-dimensional array are there. So how many tables are there, ma? This is the first table, correct? Tell me here, how many tables are there? Row wise, 2 tables are there. Okay. So this is the first table. Okay. Just look at this one, 3 cross 4, right? These are all the values in the tables. 3 cross 4 means how many values? Tell me here. 3 cross 4, how many values?
12
This
elements are there, sir.
12 elements are there, right? 12 elements are there or not? Here.
Yes, sir.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this is the first table. First table, these are all the values. So how the values can be stored? 3, 4, 2, 3, 0, minus 3, 9, 11. Then 9, 1, 6, 6, 2. Correct? The first table, 12 values are there. Next, second table, this one, right? This is the second table. So 13, 4, 56,
3.
and then 5, 9, 3, 5. 3, 5. Then 3, 1, 4, 9. Got it? How the initialization can be happening in the multi-dimensional array? This is called as two right? Two tables are there. This is the, actually this won't be represented. This is the first table and this is the second table. Got it? First table, okay, for 3 cross 4 matrix should be there. Second table, 3 cross 4 matrix should be there. Row size and column size. Got it? Do you have any doubt in this one?
No,
Tell
sir.
me here. Okay, right. Shall we go to the program? See, in multi-dimensional array, okay, you just look at this one. Look at the program. Sir, on multi-dimensional array, how to get the array elements here? 1 for loop or 2 for loop or 3 for loop will be used. 1D
for loops,
array,
sir.
1 for loop, 2D array, 2 for loop, multi-dimensional array, 3D, 3 table, 3 cross 3 means what will 3 for loop will be used. Okay, so 1 for loop for table numbers, correct? Tell me here. Another for loop for row size. Okay, column size, row size of each and every table. Another for loop for column size of each and every table. So test of I of ij key, correct? So this is for just getting an inputs from for the multi-dimensional array. This is for printing the outputs to the multi-dimensional array. Got it? So first, how the values will be getting 2, 3, 2 in the sense. Tell me here. First, I value, that is I value becomes 0. Next 0, j value is also 0, k value will be all keep on changing, right?
Yes, sir.
A of 0 0 0 will get a 1 value, for example 2. Inner for loop only will be changing, I value
Sir, why
0.
we are using the pre-increment, sir, instead of post-increment?
Both will work fine. Post increment also you can use it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so k value will become 1, right? First table, okay, 0th value and second for, okay, first row second column will be getting. So what does mean by 3 cross 2, right? So how many elements are there? 3 into 2, 6 elements should be there, right? How the 6 elements should be getted? Tell me here. 0, 0,
0, 0, 0, 1.
0, 1. 3 rows, right?
Yes, sir.
3 rows. Okay, so okay, that's it, right? Second time it will fail. 1, 0, you should get it, right? Tell me how the values can be changing. Tell me. So 3 cross 2. I'm asking 3 cross 2. How the things will be changing? 0, 0, 0, 1.
1,
Then
1, 0.
yes, 1, 0. Then 1, 1, right?
1, 2.
1, 1. 1, 1.
Yes,
2
sir.
rows only, na? 2 columns will be there, na?
Yeah,
Then
yes.
we have 0. Here what will happen? 3 columns, right? 2, 0. A of 0, 2 of 1. Then again it will be repeating for A of 1, correct? 0 table, you got all the values from the user. Then A of 1 will be there, correct? That is the first table, all the elements should be repeated. For second table, this is for first table, okay, A of 0. And A of 1, again all the values repeated. Okay, that is for second table. Then A of 2, A of 1 will be the third table. Got it? In this way, okay, the elements can be here. 3 for loop by using the for loop. What is this test? Percentage D, percentage D, percentage D equal to what is this?
To represent the values, sir.
Have we got this line? This is for array values, ma. Okay, correct? This is for printing. Okay, this is for your understanding. Okay, test is nothing but an array name, ma. Okay, here this is okay, D, right? So I, J, K for your understanding purpose. That I told, right? 0, 0, 0, 1 will be 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so 3 rows, 3 tables, sorry, 2 tables, 3 rows, 2 columns, right? So up to this 3 rows, 2 columns, in the sense 6 values, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then second table 6 values. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Got it? Output is clear. Only respond me, da. Output is clear.
Yes, sir, please.
So in this way, you should have to solve programs. Okay, this will be very useful for solving the programs in ELA. Now you know, right, how to handle the data in multidimensional arrays. Okay, now we'll discuss about some small programs. Okay, sorry, some programs, important programs in 2D array. Okay, so you just look at this one. Basic 2D program. Then we should discuss about store and display the 2D array values. Then some of this is very important. May kindly make a note of it. Some addition of matrix or subtraction of matrix. Okay, arithmetic operations in a matrix, that is in a 2D array. Transpose of matrix and multiplication. This from out of this program, out of these 3 programs, if you look at the previous year's question paper and all, whenever if you are studying about the 2D array, these can definitely 98%, these out of these 3 programs, any one program comes into the picture. Got it? So these three programs are very, very important. Okay. So first we look about this one by one. What is this basic 2D array program? So just look at this program and tell me what you got understood. Tell me here. So one 2D array is declared, and after that I and j for this is a looping variable.
So we're scanning
by
the
using
variable in the first case, sir.
yes by using the two for loops, they are getting the array elements. They are initialize the 2D array elements or getting the input as an for 2D array elements. They are getting the input, right?
Yes, sir.
For 2x3 matrix, they are getting the input, and after that, what they are doing? What they are doing? What is this? This is called displaying an array elements, right?
Yes, sir.
What is this? Why if j equal to 2, why they are printing the new line? So after entering the first row values, so for this purpose only, right? 1, 2, 3, and after that 4, 5, 6. For giving the new line. Okay, this is the meaning. Whenever the j value equal to
in
2,
one row there are 3 elements. And then
3 elements
each row
should
there
be
are
there.
3
Okay.
elements.
So j represents the column, right?
Yes,
Whenever
sir.
the j reaches the 2, okay, that's it. The first row column values and all you got it. And after that new line. Then only it started to print 4, 5, 6. Got it? Now we got this printf enter the value for display, that is this one. Okay, 0. If you put it in the sense, you can clearly understood a of 0, 0. Okay, that I told, right? A of 0, 0, a of 0, 1, 0, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. Correct? A 2, 3. How the things will be represented? 2, 3 in the sense 6 values, right? 2, 3. 2 size. 2 rows, 3 columns, right? So 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct?
Yes,
So what is this values? This is 0, 1, right? 0. This is 0, 1, 2, right? This value is 0, 0. This value is
0, 1.
0, 1. This is value is 0, 2. This value is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. Correct? For your understanding. For that only in the printf they are giving it this one. For that all the values you got the input, and after that you are printing the input in the form of array. Correct? Do you have any doubt in this program? Do you have any doubt? If understood the program, definitely you have understood the concept of 2D array. This is fine. Suppose, see, listen, the university exam, suppose if they ask for multiplication of 2 matrix. If he really doesn't know how to perform the multiplication of 2 matrix, but you know all the array concepts, 2D concepts very well. Okay. In the program, you just write it. Okay. These things and all you just write it. Get the array elements. For example, if it is 2x2 matrix in the sense, just get the array elements for 2x2 and print the array elements. Out of 10 marks, okay, you should get at least 4 marks. In this program, it doesn't, okay, you didn't wrote the code for multiplication of 2 matrices, right? For example, imagine this program is nothing but a multiplication of 2 matrices. Correct? But we have only know this code, how to get the array elements, you know, right? 2D array elements, you know, right? For example, 2x3, you put it and print the array elements, you know, right? For example, if it is a 10 mark question, means you got the array elements and you have printed only one multiplication of 2D matrix you didn't done. Instead of leaving the program as a whole, okay, if you wrote these things in the sense, how many marks will get it? See, as a teacher, you can imagine, how many marks you have put it for this program. Even though if you have 3 or 4 marks, getting the array elements and printing the array elements. Anyone kindly respond me?
Yes, sir.
you are a teacher, okay, you are going to correct a
4 to 5
program
marks.
for 4 to 5 marks. Instead of leaving the program, if you write it this is a very easy thing, right? 2 for loop, 1 scanf, 2 for loop, 1 printf. That is right.
Yes, sir.
So for taking input.
Yes, okay, that's what I'm trying to say, that at least try to know that how to take the input for 1D array and how to take the input for 2D array and how to take the input for multidimensional array. And how to print that array elements in a 1D array, 2D array, 3D array. This logic is simple. 1D array means 1 for loop, 1 scanf, correct?
Yes, sir.
2D means 2 for loop, 1 for row size and another for loop for column size. 1 scanf. Okay, A of ij, right? If it is an 1D means A of I, scanf percentage D ampersand A of I. Okay, if it is 2D array means 2 for loop, scanf percentage D ampersand A of I, A of j, correct? A of I, j, right? If it is a multi-dimensional array, 3 for loop, 1 for first table, another for row size and another for column size, another for loop, I, j, k. Scanf percentage D ampersand A of I, j, k, correct? For printing the elements, instead of scanf, you just put it printf, remove the ampersand. That's it. Clear? Do you have any doubt? Okay. Now now look at the program. This is for storing and display the values of an array. So just look at this program. What is this const? This we already discussed in the unit 1. What is this const?
Sir, it will keep the value as it is, as constant.
Yes, constant means, okay, the value should not be changed. Okay, so what is this type? Why it is declared before the main function?
I know it is in global declaration part, sir.
Yes, this is a global declaration part. Very good. Okay, global declaration part in the sense, throughout the program, the city value will be 1 and week value will be at 7, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now look at this one, temperature, city, week. Here, the constant variable will be declared as a row size and column size here, correct? So first city, for example, any Chennai, okay, or Delhi or any city, you can imagine this. Okay, for that city, you are getting the week. Okay, so 7 weeks should be there, right? Monday. So 7 days. Okay, you just look at this one. For that, for each and every, okay, for each city, you are getting the, what you are getting it? Temperature value. Okay, temperature is there. Okay, for each city, for each week wise, you are getting the temperature value, and after that, you are displaying it. Look at this one. So city day 1 33, city day 2 34. Okay, city day 1, city 1 day 3. Okay, so got it. You are just getting the value and they are displaying it. Now after seeing the input, you just relate the program so that you could understand. What you got it? So what is this 2 for loop? What it is printing? City, comma, day 1, right? City 1, day 1. So in a week, 7 days is there, right? So this is what they are trying to. For 7 weeks, you are getting the value 33, 34. This is 1, comma, okay, this is 0, comma 1, 0, comma 2, like that, okay? So how many rows and how many values? 1 rows, 7 columns,
1
right?
row, 7 columns.
So that is 1 row, 7 columns are there. 1, 2, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4. You are getting the value, and after that, what is this printf meaning?
To print the value.
To print the value, that's it. City, this is for, okay. City, what, why I plus 1, j plus 1? Because it starts from 0, correct? Here they are printing 1, right? City 1, day 1, right? But here 0, 0, right? So that I plus 1, 1, city 1, day 1. Day, then city 1, day 2. Like that it will become. Do you have any doubt in this program? Up to this clear? Okay. So next one is very important program. Okay, 2D array. Okay, sum of 2D array. Okay, what is mean by 2D array? Sum of two matrices. Okay, 1 minute. So okay. So you just look at this one. What is mean by very sorry, here my native places lot of disturbances are there. Next class it will be fine. Okay, next class I will be in college only. So you just look at this one. How will you perform a matrix addition here? For example, A matrix, B matrix should be there. A matrix is also 2 cross 2. What is the condition in a primary condition for doing that matrix addition?
Sir,
What is A?
both the
So you
Both-
declare a variable
ah,
sum equal to 0, and then with each
yes.
iteration, sum plus is equal to that element.
Yes, that is the logic you are telling. Okay, the primary condition is both the row values and column values of both the matrix should be equal, right? Then only you can perform addition, right?
yes, sir.
If it is A cross, okay, A value, okay, for example, A matrix that is 2 cross 2, B matrix is 2 cross 2. For example, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is an A matrix. This is 2 cross 2 matrix, right? For example, B matrix. This is also 1, 3, 1, 2. So if it is equal means then only you can able to perform it. In CE, you are going to perform A plus B matrix. Okay. So how the things will be performed? First row of A matrix will be plus with added with second row, right? Sorry, first value of the second matrix, right? So how the things will be performed, right? Tell me here. First, tell me the logic, and after that we'll convert this. 1 plus 1 will be happening, then 2 plus 3 will be happening, right? Then 1 plus 1 will be happening, then 2 plus 2 will be happening, correct?
Yes, sir.
So first row, this one, second, this one added with this one, and second row value, that is this value will be added with this value, and this value will be added with this. Suppose in case, okay, A matrix is 1, 2, 1, 2. B matrix is only. Can we added this one? This is 2 cross 2 matrix. This is 2 cross 1 matrix. Can we added this one?
No, sir.
So the primary condition is, what is the
order
primary
should be
condition? Yes. If okay, row values of A matrix and column values of B matrix should be the same. So row value, both the rows and both the rows of A matrix and B matrix will be equal. Okay, that is the logic. How we can perform this one? So if it is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Tell me here, what is that? How will you perform it here? Can you tell me the logic? Initially, some value equal to 0, right? So you just tell me how will we take this elements here?
So like both the matrix which has.
How will
the
you take
same
this
matrix
element A of 0? Yes. That is the first condition. After say first we should have to get the A matrix values, right? row size and column size of the matrix should be getted. Okay, that is 2 cross 2 we should get it. Then 2 cross 1, or this is also 2 cross 2 matrix we should get it. Row size and column size of both the matrix should be getted. Then
Sir, can we not take 4 sum as well, like sum 1, sum 2, sum 3, sum 4 for each element?
But I
And
think
so
the sum operation will only be different here.
see, okay, yes. You do one thing. Okay, for example, first get the A matrix array elements, get the B matrix array elements, and after that C equal to C of ij, right? Put it in another matrix. C of ij equal to what will be the thing? A of ij plus B of ij. That's it. Ij in the sense, what will be the first value of I? Okay, this is 0, 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me here, anyone? The 0,
Yes,
0
Usually it
and
should
B
be
of 0,
0,
0 will be added. Okay. Next 0, 1, A of 0, 1 and A of 0, B of 0, 1 will be added, right? Then yes. So if you put the for loop, it will come to for loop in the sense it will come like this only, right?
Yes, sir.
First A, yes. Then this one, how these things will be added? That is A of 1, 0 and B of 1, 0 will be added. Then A of what is this value? 1, 1 and B of 1, 1 will be added. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So you just look at this one. So that 3, you just look at this one. So you just look at this one. How many matrix should be needed, ma? Sum of 2 matrix, right? So
2
the C matrix, this
and
is a
output
resultant.
matrix.
This is one out. This is a resultant matrix output. Okay. So adding all the elements. Okay. Adding all the elements and resultant will be stored in another matrix called C matrix. Okay. So 1 plus 1 will be added 2. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. Correct? This will be stored in C matrix. Correct? For that only the C matrix will be declared here. Okay. So you just look at this one. 3 matrix should be declared. What is this? What is this? Ij. This is a looping variable. Then enter the elements of first matrix, right? You just imagine here all are 2 cross 2 matrix, correct?
Yes,
For
sir.
that you do one thing. This is this row size and column size also you can get it from the user also. Okay. Enter the row size and column size of first matrix. Okay. Here you can put it, for example, if it is m cross n in the sense, first after getting the things you can put a of m, a of n. Okay. Second, row size and column size of B matrix is x comma y in the sense you can put it first, get the x value and y value, and after that you can declare it B of x comma y. Correct? So this program will work for only for 2 cross 2 cross matrix. So 2 cross 2 matrix. Correct? Suppose if you want to execute 4 cross 4 matrix in the sense, at the time this you can put it as a, you can fix it as this is for example m and n. M value will be the row size of matrix A, and this will be the n will be the column size of matrix A. Get it from the user. M and n scanf, through the scanf you get it from the user, and after that you can declare float of A of m and n. Got it? So like this I'm telling you. So this like this I'm telling you. So where here? So like this I'm telling it. Okay. This I'm calling. So okay. Okay, now got it. So okay, now we just try to understand this program. Okay, B is okay. These are all the things, and after that, what is that meaning? What is this for loop meaning? Tell me here, anyone?
So to get n values from the user of first matrix.
To get the yes
Elements
values from the user for matrix A, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Am I audible here?
So now you are audible, sir.
Yes. So you just look at this one. This for loop for right? Kindly anyone respond? Is it correct?
So still it's not visible for us, so
Sir, it's in your file screen,
it's
sir, right
just
now.
freezed for us.
Okay, sorry. It's visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, now it's visible.
Okay. You just look at this one. This two for loops for getting the B values, right? B matrix values, right? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
So okay. This thing for
To add up the values. which we
yes.
have
This
given.
is for this is for addition of two matrices. A of ij plus B of ij. Initially A of 0 0. Okay, I'll tell you. A of 0 0 plus B of 0 0. Okay, A of 0 0 is nothing but a first element of A matrix added with second element of added with the first element of B matrix. Then A of 1 0 will be 0 1 and B of 0 1. So if you do like this, okay, what will be? This is A of, just look at this thing. This is A of 0 0, right? 1 will be added, 1 plus B of 0 0 is this one. 1 plus 1 will be added and 2 will be stored in C of I0. Okay, C of ij in the sense C of so this is C matrix, right? So this is C matrix. Okay, 2 5 2 6 is a C matrix. That is C of 0 0, right? In C of 0 0, 2 will be stored. Okay, next one. What will be added? 2 plus 3 will be added, right? Tell me a yes or no. That is A of 0 1 plus B of 0 1. This 0 1 is 2. A of 0 1 is 2. B of 0 1 is 3. 2 plus 3 will be added and 5 will be stored in what is C of 0? What is here?
Yes, sir.
What is this? C of 0 1. Okay. Here 2 5 is there, right? This is C of 0 1. C of 0 1, 5 will be stored. Next time the loop get failed, the outer loop 1 1. Okay, C of 1 1. Okay, sorry, 1 0. I value become 1, J value become 0. C of 1 0 is what will be adding? 1 0. A of 1 0. A of 1 0 is 1. B of 1 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 will be added. That can be stored in C of 1 1. C of 1 1 is this place. So 2 will be stored. Then C of 1 1, right? I value is 0. J value is 1. So C of 1 1. C of 1 1 is this place. So A of 1 1 plus B of 1 1 will be added. A of 1 1 is 2. B of 1 1 is 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. That can be stored in C of 1 1. Okay. C of 0 0 will be 2. C of 0 1 will be 5. C of 1 0 will be 2. C of 1 1 will be 6. So all values can be stored in C matrix by using the another for loop. We are just printing it. Got it? So no need. Okay, here j equal to 1 means next line we should have to put. 0.5 minus 1 point. This is for a float array. They have mentioned it. So that float value should be there. So 2 plus 0.2, 2.2, 0.5 plus 0.23 is 0.12, right? 2122, right? So this one, for 0.5 plus 0, 0.5, then here, right, 0 point, here, this matrix. So how would minus 1.1 plus 0.23 is 0.23 is minus 0.9, then 2 plus 23 is 20. Got it? So up to this we'll stop. Okay, I'll take the attendance. Remaining the next class we'll look about the transpose of. If we put minus in the sense that is a subtraction of two matrices. If we put multiplication means multiplication of two matrices. So sorry. If you this is multiplication of two matrices will not work for this logic. This is addition and subtraction of two matrices. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
I'll take the attendance.
Sir, today you can upload this document in GCR, sir.
Yes, I'll upload this.
Sir, also for the PPS exam, how much of arrays will be coming in? Sure, you're muted.
Second and third unit will be there.
Means,
CT2 you are asking, right? Definitely.
Yes, CT2.
In third unit there are three topics are there. One is 2D array, and another one is string concept. And third thing is user defined function. Definitely you may expect one program, one program in the big question.
So we have string also for this CT.
Yes, string is there, user defined function is there. Okay. See, second unit you may have some operators. Okay, relational operators. The continuation of the first unit should be there. Operator should be there. Then decision making statement is there. Looping is there. 1D array is there in second unit. Got it? In third unit, 2D array should be there. String concept should be there. User defined function should be there.
So can you send notes for unit 2 and 3?
So this
Yes,
PPT
sir.
is fine. What I have shown.
Yes, sir, like this PPT of unit 2's PPT
Okay,
is
for
there. You can see.
yes,
sir.
unit
PPT is
1
fine, sir.
for this thing. Okay, for 5 units PPTs are there with me. I'll share it. Okay, in GCR. Also, I'll record the sharing also. Okay. Recording lectures also I have shared it, and also I have upload my PPT also. The handwritten is there, right? That also I'll share.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So can answer attendance now. 001. Samarth.
Present, sir.
If you give present, you can leave. 02. What happened to Om Sudhir?
Sir, he fractured his leg. I mean, he got some ligament tear, so he fell.
So, okay, ask him.
He
to
will join
upload
tomorrow,
the-
sir. He will join tomorrow, sir.
Okay, okay.
And he will
Ask
also
him.
take the medical.
No. Ask him to upload the medical leave also to faculty
Yes, sir.
advisor. Huh?
I did tell him, sir.
Okay. 3. Swatesh.
Present, sir.
04. Manvi.
Present, sir.
05. Tarsna.
Present, sir.
Hans Jaipuria. 6.
Present, sir.
7.
Present, sir.
8. Jala Binav.
Present, sir.
9. Sai Varshan.
Present, sir.
10. Pranav.
Present, sir.
11. Pradosh.
Present, sir.
12. Garima.
Present, sir.
13. Subhranshu.
Present, sir.
14. Swaminathan.
Present, sir.
15. Vishwindrajan.
Present, sir.
Okay. 17. Anushri.
Present, sir.
18. Zainal Abdin.
Present, sir.
20. Pranav Balaji. Pranav. 21 absent. Sorry, 20 absent. 21. Kumaresh.
Present, sir.
22. Nikhil.
Present, sir.
23. Samprit.
Present, sir.
24. Radha. Radha. 25.
Present, sir.
Radha absent. Sugani present. 25.
Yes, sir.
26. Purvika.
Present, sir.
27. Muhammad. 28.
Present, sir.
29.
Present, sir.
30.
Present, sir.
32.
Present, sir.
33.
Present, sir.
34.
Present, sir.
35.
Sir, Keshav is in the hospital. He's asked me to give his attendance for you. He cannot respond right now.
Okay. Ask him to call me, okay?
Yes, sir, I'll ask him.
36.
Present, sir.
37.
Present, sir.
38.
Present, sir.
39.
Present, sir.
40.
Present, sir.
41. 41. 43.
Present, sir.
44.
Present, sir.
45.
Present, sir.
46.
Present, sir.
47.
Present, sir.
48.
Present, sir.
49.
Present, sir.
50. 51.
Present,
50.
sir.
Abhista Singh.
Present, sir.
52.
Present, sir.
53.
Present, sir. And sir, roll number 24 is also present. She is facing some network issues.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. 55. Jai Surya. 56.
Present, sir.
57.
Present, sir.
58.
Present, sir.
59.
Present, sir.
60.
Present, sir.
61.
Present, sir.
62.
Present, sir.
63.
Present, sir.
64.
Present, sir.
65.
Present, sir.
66.
Present, sir.
67. 68.
Present, sir.
69. Divya Banu Prasad. What happened to him? Divya Banu Prasad. 69. 70.
Present, sir.
71.
Present, sir.
72. Varshita. Absent. Eric.
Present, sir.
Gautam. 74.
Present,
Okay,
sir.
ma'am. Absentees are list number 2, list number 20, Pranav Balaji, Radha present, 55, Jai Surya absent, 69, Divya Banu Prasad absent, 72, Varshita is absent. Varshita present. That's it, Mike, can leave.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me here.
Sir, can you please post the whiteboard content?
Yes, ma, I'll post it.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Roll number
Today
35 present, sir.
we are present only.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.